Should you play with the card or should you play the teddy bear? Draw a circle around it. Good. John likes to play. What should he play with? Which one should he play with? The stove or should he play the blocks? Circle it. Good job. And is your friend the rabbit or the snake? Which one is your friend? The rabbit. Good job. Circle the rabbit. The animal, that is your friend. Which one of these animals is your friend? Very good. The rabbit. Circle it. Good job. Look here now. Which one of these animals will hurt you? Would the butterfly hurt you or the alligator? Which one would bite you? Which one would hurt you? Very good. The alligator. Circle it. So we have the cat and we have the dog and the rabbit. The dog, show teacher which one of these here the dog would eat. Which one the dog would eat? The bone or the fish? The bone? Match it. We have the rabbit. What a rabbit would eat? Very good. Match it. The rabbit eats the carrot. And now we have the cat. What the cat would eat? What the cat there, so what do you see?